Yeah, make we take in the funny video them in this video. And see just how funny them be. Now, me no really know what that's still in. I could have bad word for y'all like here. But what then just a while ago, it's supposed to be the Chinese equivalent of this is funny. So make me work with it, no?
So, why are the Chinese no good at cricket? Because they eat all the fucking bats.
Where you think that little piece is now? Well, your guess is as good as mine, you know. But me I hope say it a talk about all the Chinese girl, you're thief.
Huh? 哎呦我的妈
举起了手中的酒啊，今生就做朋友，就算天高地厚，咱也要一起。
Yo, Kai. Yes, what's up? Coffee for table 3. Gotcha.
The two Asian guy over there? Okay.
Excuse me, guys. Who ordered this coffee?
Yes, it's me.
Okay.
Whoa. What you doing?
You say it's you.
It's me, not you, it's him.
What?
I ordered the coffee.
Then, sir, why you say it's me?
No. He is me, and I am you.
What? If he is you and you are me, then who am I?
What you talking about? Can you give me some sugar?
Just to be clarified, sir, when you say give me some sugar, does that mean him or you?
Me.
I knew it. I hate my job.
餐厅的两人桌。
Kim Fong Ding Song. How much Chinese song, people? So I'm gonna make it.
Hello, ladies. Welcome to King Fong Ding Song. How may I help you?
Yes, me and my sister would like a table for two, please.
Sure. Please give me your name, ladies, or I'll call you when your table is ready.
Yes, it's 侯礼谢.
I beg your pardon?
何礼谢.
Holy shit!
Correct. Your pronunciation is so good.
Maybe I can take your sister's name instead. What's your name?
It's 侯礼发.
Holy shit, holy fuck. You know what, ladies? Can I just mark your names as hosts? Here's your number. You can wait over there.
Oh, thank you very much.
Table 17 for 2 hosts. Table 17 for 2 hosts.
Yes, table 17. That's us, 2 hosts. Right here.
男人从车上掉下来，女孩笑了。
Lord, a whole heap of something that they say whatever. I wonder if it have nothing to do with our brother we drop out there carry us.
"哎呦我的妈！"
抓住生殖器。
More Chinese talk. And this time it sure say it mean grab balls. Watch the video.
当狗在中国看到大鱼，
Yeah, man. That's how when dogs see big fish in China.